So guys, update on our propfirm challenge. Update on our propfirm challenge. So this is where we are right now. We I could not update us yesterday because I was on traffic, I was on transport. So I was going back to base. So I couldn't update us. Though I took a trade and it was a loss. So as you can see, the entry date was I entered by I think by 11 p.m. yesterday, almost midnight. So I took this trade and it was a loss. As you can see, it hit me out. So then today, which is Tuesday, I entered another one in the morning. This was where it tapped me. It was a buy limit. So I entered here by 6:30 a.m. in the morning. So since then it was ranging, but at last it smashed our take profit, which was more than 1 to 4 R, and that made us pass the account. But unfortunately, I didn't get a message. I've passed, but I have not passed because it has a minimum trading days, three minimum trading days, profitable trading days, like a kind of let's go to the this thing, so it's better to see everything. So this was the trade here. This was the trade. So you will see we have passed the account. We have passed the account. This is it here. This is it. So this is it. We entered here clean. It was a sniper entry, and we took profits here. And this is the 5% I'm supposed to get, $257. But I have not received a message. Reason because let's go to the platform. This is the reason why. If you watch closely here, you will see profitable days. Profitable days. That is, you have to have 3 profitable days. So even if you hit the 5% in phase 2 within 1 day, you will not pass the account until you get, like, let me say, $50, 1% of the account, 1% of the account, or 1 point something percent of the account for 3 days. So that is what I'm noticing here. That's what I'm seeing. Look at it. A profitable day is a day on which the closed position made a positive profit of at least 0.5% of the initial balance. So let's say I will need to make another $50 before I will receive a message that I have passed this account. So I have passed, but I haven't passed. So, and it can still be failed. But let's just watch. We definitely pass it this week. We passed phase 1, so we can still do it in this phase 2. So now the first one, I've gotten 1 profitable day. Then today again is second profitable day, but it have not counted because it is not yet. We are still in today. So by tomorrow you will see that it is 2. And if I take another trade tomorrow or by midnight, then it will now complete, and I get like $50. Then it will now complete profitable three profitable trading days. So that is what is holding us down. And if not, we would have passed the account. So I don't think I'll be trading anyone that has this rule next time. But so far so good. This is it. This is it. I have passed, but I have not passed. This is our profit, and we were looking for 5,250, and we got 5,275. But let's just watch and see how it goes, guys. That's what is holding us down now. Good morning, guys. I am buying gold. I'm on a gold buy. Today is Wednesday, the 14th of January 2026, and I'm on a gold buy because because of the profitable trading day. So I need to get at least should I say $40 will be enough. So that's why I entered this trade. Although I really fucked up, seriously. This was my position. I dropped position here. This was the entry without placing a buy limit. So it's triggered me without entry. So I've been angry since morning, seriously. And this one I entered here, I don't know, anything can happen. Is not on the right position, but I have entered. Let's just see how it goes. I'm risking $25 on this trade. So if it gets here, we'll be getting, let's go to our MT5. Although this trade, I don't know what is happening. I don't know. So this is it here. It seems I'm running on a loss now. I'm on a loss. I entered 2 position. So the first is $10 risk. Second one is $14. $13, so approximately $25 on this trade. That is the risk. And if we hit TP, it will be 25 $45 42. So let's just watch if we hit TP. Or it would have been beautiful if we entered where we are supposed to enter. By now, it will be like almost $30 in profit, and the account is passed. But let's just watch. Let's just watch and see what happens. We are on a minus right now. We're on a minus. So if it is us out during New York session, we'll look for another trade. But for now, we are on a buy and we are targeting here. On a buy and I believe this will be enough. So, and this is the profitable days. Look at it. Because of yesterday one and the one I've taken before, that is a 2 out of 3. So it's remaining 1. If I get $40 today, or this $45, it will be a good one. So let's just watch and see how it unfolds. Let's just watch. That is what is holding us. We have passed, but as you can see, we are on a minus, and this is my SL. Had it been I entered here, this will just be my TP. But now, let's just watch and see, guys. Let's watch and see. For this trade, I no trust am. But let's just watch. Let's watch. Let market do its thing. So, guys, that first trade was a loss. It was a fast one. We took a loss on that, and this is what it looks like. We hit a sell on that. This was it. I took a fast decision on planned trade. It was on planned trade. So this was like a liquidity, and that was where I entered. So at least if I had put myself here, it would have been better. But still, I saw another order block here, which I'm feeling that it has some probability of buying. So now we lost about $19 on that trade. So on this, we entered here, so and we are looking forward to this. So that's the second trade for the day. So this one is like $22. So if I lose this, I'll be losing like $40 for today. So I think this will be the last trade for the day. If I lose this one, then that's all. Maybe tomorrow I will look for another trade to take, just with small loss size, to see if we can get that easy 3 days this thing. So we are currently on a loss right now. Let's watch and see how it goes. Guys. This is what it is like on 30 minutes time frame. Gosh. So this is it. Seems like it's not going well, but we have entered. So I am seeing this one is mitigated already. So I'm seeing this like an invalidation zone. So let's just watch and see. We are on the trade. So this is what it looks like on my MT5. It was floating in profit before. It's still in profit too. $0.40, $4 I think. So we are now floating in losses. So let's just watch. This is our invalidation zone here. Let's watch and see if we can get. We'll be targeting. We have lost approximately $20. So let's target $50 on this trade. If we get $50, then I think we might pass the account. Or let's just say 55. And then about 60. I don't know if this will be too far, but when I calculate, I might just take profit if it goes well, even before they change here. But this is what it is like now. Let's target $60. So let's watch and see. So that is it, guys. Let's watch and see. I will update you guys. Good morning, guys. We are on a good buy, guys. So I was expecting it to come here, but it stopped here and created a failed swing. It refused to come down, though I was expecting it to come here. So we entered here, and I'm risking approximately $22. I'm risking approximately $22, and
in our account we are still up $224. So we just need like $50 to pass this account because of three profitable days. So that's why I'm taking this trade here, risking $22 approximately to get this. So if this hits SL, then we'll be left with $200 in our account. So if we still get like $50 or $60 or thereabout, we can still pass the account. So, and the update on yesterday one, we still hit SL yesterday. I risked on this one, this first tiny position here, $20. It failed. This one too, $20 approximately. It went for a bit profit and failed. So as you can see, we are on a buy here. I was expecting it to come here. So if this fails, then maybe New York session, if it comes here, it is an A plus setup. It will be a very nice one. But I still believe in this trade. I still believe I've been seeing it multiple times and it holds. It always holds. So if this hits TP, then the account is passed. Then we'll be waiting for message tomorrow morning. So this is it. This is on our MT5. This is here. We are currently on a loss 0.8. Okay, we are now in $1 loss. So as you can see, this is our TP, just $50, and that's all. So if it just gets here, we have passed the account. Then next thing is to look for withdrawal. So this is it, guys. This is it. So let's just watch and see how it goes. If this fails, then we look for this one on New York session. So guys, this week was a very tough one. It was a very tough one, and the the main problem here is that I even over traded. I over traded. So this was the first trade. It was a loss. Then second trade was a win. 1 to 4 R. This was just a small scalp I wanted to do so that I will cover the account. And this is where I started misbehaving. So took this first one, then took the second one the same day, come back the second day, like not coming down for my setup to form, not coming down to, not coming down to see my setup, just trading just to pass the account. So this was out of emotion, a kind of, this was out of emotion. So this was the last trade. So this one hit me out. This was my setup truly, like this. I waited for this to happen. So it was a buy limit. So I wasn't even on the chart when all this happened. But this is how this week ended. Though we still ended in profit too. We still closing profit. We still closing profit. So I'm expecting a buy from here. Like the way this candle close on the 30 minutes time frame, this is like a break of structure here. There is a break of structure here. Here. So I will watch how the week opens, but gold lies buying. That's one problem. So here I'm expecting a sell from here, but let's just watch. So let's go to our MT5. Let me show you how the week was like. So this is it. We closed in $37 profit. So after hitting our target, after hitting our main target, so as you can see, all was a loss. All was a loss, even where I was holding to position. But this is $171. So out of that $171, I caught in one trade. The remaining is $37, which is not bad. It's not bad. More than 1%. So, and this is the remaining account now. This is $5,150. So next week, by God's grace, if we see a clean setup, we just take, I think one setup is enough to pass our account. We passed it this week, but because of the rule of three profitable days, that is a very big issue. Seriously, that's a very big issue. So we are left with $100 to pass our account. So we can just use let me say 25 dollars, target 1 to 4 hour trade, then we are good to go. And if it fails, we risk another $25. That's what I'm going to do next week. So we are still in profit, guys, but we went down unexpectedly. So out of emotion because I have passed account. So let's just watch and see how the week unfolds, guys. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys next week. Please remember to subscribe and also like my videos. It is not easy. It is not easy, seriously. So support me in that way. Let's go together, guys. Catch you guys next week. And thanks for watching. Love you all.